Okay, you got to the tricky part, shaping the fins. That will be done in round 11, which says to skip 6 stitches, crochet 15 single crochets, then skip another 6 stitches and crochet another 15. By the end of the round, you should have 30 single crochets total. Skip the first 6 stitches. Find the 7th stitch. Insert your hook from front to back into that stitch, letting the fabric fold outward. This fold will start shaping the first fin. Make a single crochet into that 7th stitch. Make sure you keep the working yarn tight and the loops sized evenly, so the first stitch comes out a similar size to the rest. This is the first of the 15 stitches you need to do now. Check that you've skipped exactly 6 stitches by counting the V-shapes on the fin. Remove the stitch marker and place it under the first stitch of round 11. Make the next 14 single crochets. Once you have made the 15 single crochets, skip another 6 stitches. Find the following 7th stitch. Insert your hook from front to back again, letting the fabric fold to shape the second fin. Make a single crochet into that stitch. This is the first of the second set of 15 stitches. Make the next 14 single crochets until you reach the stitch marker. By the end of the round, count your stitches. You should have exactly 30. You should also see both fins starting to form their shape. You will sew through them in a later step. Complete rounds 12 and 13 before moving to the next step.